Good evening. Have you seen the cuckoo bird? Swapna Dutta. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with seven-colored wings? Oh no, I haven't seen one yet. I have often heard him sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close. But how he sings at night. Cuckoo, cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Bye bye, bye bye, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.